Arkansas Today.
President Donald Trump says he expects to announce his pick for the Supreme Court this Friday or Saturday after funeral services for Justice Ruth Bader Ginsburg. Good afternoon. I'm Mallory Brooks. Thanks for joining us for Arkansas Today as we broadcast here from home to stay safe. Ginsburg died Friday, and as Tracy Potts shows us, lawmakers on Capitol Hill are fighting over whether the new justice should be considered now or after the presidential election.
The replacement for Justice Ruth Bader Ginsburg already turning political.
I will be putting forth a nominee next week. It will be a woman.
Frontrunners include two conservative Trump appointees. Within hours of Ginsburg's death Friday, Senate Majority Leader Mitch McConnell announced there will be a vote.
The way this happened, so close to the election, that the next president should be able to make the decision.
It's an about-face from 4 years ago when Democrats pushed and Republicans blocked President Obama's Supreme Court nominee months before the election.
Let's let the next president, whoever it might be, make that nomination, and you could use my words against me.
Today, Republicans are defending a different approach.
When you have both parties in the White House and the Senate, historically, the confirmation goes forward. And that's what's going to happen here.
Democratic presidential nominee Joe Biden appealing directly to Republicans.
Please follow your conscience. But if I win this election, President Trump's nominee should be withdrawn.
House Speaker Nancy Pelosi is hinting at possibly using impeachment to stop it.
We have our options. We have arrows in our quiver.
A political and legal showdown 43 days before the election. Tracy Potts, NBC News.
Tracy, thank you so much. And President Trump said in an interview he has a list of 5 finalists for the Supreme Court position, and he is pushing for a confirmation that will happen before Election Day.